Hey, so this week we've been talking about endurance. One of the greatest ways to build endurance is using the push-up, but not everyone can do them. So this video is going to be a nice progression video to effectively start to do push-ups. Side note, not a big fan of the knee push-ups. They can build some endurance, but when you change the lever by dropping the knee, you're taking away 1/3 of the body weight. That would be like trying to go from a 200-pound squat, which you can do pretty easily, to a 300-pound squat. Not gonna be easy to get and make that big of a jump. Let's use this progression to make it a little bit easier. We're gonna use a Smith machine at the gym. We're gonna find a really good body position. So we're gonna get a nice hand grip about shoulder width apart, walk our feet back to our heels are just off the ground, and get a nice head to heel inline position. Yes, squeeze the stomach, squeeze the booty as well. Find a spot where you can do 15 reps pretty effectively, and then you're going to build to a 3 set of 15 at that height. Once you're at 3 by 15, you're going to slowly lower each time, achieving 3 by 15 until you're down on the ground doing traditional push-ups. A lot of you are saying, I don't have a gym. Well, we can use stuff at the house, just like when we're moving and doing anything else. We can use stuff at the house, obviously at different levels, to get the first push-ups as well. Let's make it simple, make it easy. I want to see some first push-ups out there. Do me a favor though, if you use the video, take a video of your first push-ups, whichever way that you're doing it, and then send me a video of you doing them on the ground in the traditional way. I'm very excited to see you guys use this one. Take care and be well.